This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Freshly painted interior walls, ceilings, doors and amp, wood trim. Owner has installed new stainless range, refrigerator and amp, dishwasher plus washer/dryer not original. These appliances are new to this condo and never used by owner. Tabletop microwave to stay. Curtains, blinds, ceiling fans and amp, solar tubes add to the beauty of this condo. Split bedroom plan with master in back of condo. Included in monthly rental amount is water, sewer, basic cable TV, internet, trash pickup, 24-hour manned gate, exterior maintenance, pool, clubhouse and amp, amenities. Only utility for tenant to pay is the electric with FPUA. Beautiful condo for the right person that wants security and a great place to live. Hurry, call now to see. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.